All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do picture-in-picture in Messenger videos. Let's say somebody sends a video to you. Let's just open this up, and I'm going to go ahead and send this video right here. I'm going to send that to my girl. It may take a while, but while that's doing that, what you can do is you can come here, press the play button, and stop it. Now, if I take my cursor and I run it over here, you're going to notice if I want, I can mute it here, or I can put the sound on, that sound muted. Now I can come over here and I can do picture in picture. So what it'll do is it'll open it up on my desktop. And there it is. Now I pull it here and I can play it. It lets me expand it if I want. Or I can contract it. And then I can stop it just by clicking here. Or I can click here to stop the actual movement on it. And then to get rid of it, I just press here. Bam, done. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on your Mac computer.